In today's video, I am going to talk to you about who can be a shareholder in a law corporation based in California. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the managing attorney here at Malai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without having to deal with the complicated legal forms. Our Done For You service is backed by over 2,800 plus 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. The purpose of these videos are to provide you with as much guidance and clarity in the beginning stages of starting a business. So if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as a bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Before you do anything, make sure you speak with a professional. With that side note out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about who can be a shareholder in a law corporation based in California. As you know, a law practice can be an extremely lucrative business to invest in. If you don't already know, California has some strict rule requirements when it comes to the type of business entity a lawyer is able to form in the first place. If you don't already know, a lawyer who practices law in California and who's looking to form some sort of business entity, such as an LLC or a corporation, that same lawyer is restricted to forming a professional law corporation. If you want to learn a little bit more about California's requirements when it comes to forming a law corporation, I highly recommend you review the Moscow-Knox Act. In the Moscow-Knox Act, it states who's able to operate a business and who's able to be an owner in a law corporation. As an owner, it's likely that you're going to have shares in the overall law corporation. But the question is, can your average person invest into a law corporation? Similar to general corporations, C corporations, S corporations, etc. While operating a law corporation here in California, the lawyer must adhere to the Business and Professions Code as well as the Moscow-Knox Act previously stated. In the Moscow-Knox Act, it states that individuals who do not hold a law license cannot be an owner in a professional corporation. It clearly states in the Moscow-Knox Act that all members, as well as all directors of a law corporation, must be a licensed California lawyer. So in short, your typical average Joe would not be able to invest directly into a law corporation because of the Moscow-Knox Act. While an investor is restricted from being able to own or invest in a law corporation, there's an option for that same average person to form what's called an LLC. An LLC is also known as a limited liability company. By forming this LLC, they would then enter into an MSA agreement. And if you're not familiar with what an MSA stands for, it stands for a Management Service Agreement. This means that although the individual cannot invest directly into the law corporation, they can still provide professional expertise, such as marketing, ads, being able to operate and manage the corporation's records, etc. By forming this MSA, although the average person will not be able to have any sort of ownership in the law corporation, they're still able to contribute their expertise. And the reason why I bring this up is because an investor may want to have a greater role in the overall law corporation other than just contributing funds. Hence, forming the LLC, entering into the MSA with the law corporation would allow that investor/business expert to provide their skills and talents to assist with the daily operations of the law corporation. So in short, California restricts non-licensed lawyers from being able to have ownership in a law corporation, have shares in a law corporation, or even be a director in a law corporation. Only licensed lawyers in California are able to have ownership in a law corporation, invest in a law corporation, and of course sit as a director of a law corporation. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as a bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. you would like to continue learning more about LLCs, businesses, online businesses, go ahead and watch one of these videos.